Hi everyone, my name is Adriaan. I'm the owner of Eza Watches, and today I would like to talk with you about water resistance of the diving case. Here we have a steel dive watch. This case is, in this case it's with the turnable bezel. This we removed firstly, then you end up with only the steel case. There are three main parts. First, on the glass side, on the top, on the back to the edge of the case back. In this case it's a screw down case back which you screw into the steel case. And the last one, in my opinion the most tricky one, which is the crown. So how to keep the water out of the watch case? Firstly, with the glass you use a plastic sealing which is pressed into the case, between the glass and the case, and this high pressure makes sure that that you create the water resistance. On the back you use a rubber sealing that you put in the case, and then you screw the case back on top of this pressure, pushing the rubber sealing into the case. It creates the water resistance on the back of the case. Then on the third part you have the crown. You insert a little tube into the case, and in this tube you add the crown. So you have different types of crowns. This is a screw down crown, which means that you have to screw it to completely close, and this adds up to the water resistance of a case significantly, because you have the sealings inside the crown that are pushed into the tube. This is why if you have a watch with a water resistance of more than 100 meters, you usually see screw down crowns. If you have less water resistance, it's not needed, because a normal crown would work. Next up, I would like to take you to the other end of the classroom, where I will show you the different ways how to test a watch for its water resistance.